Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make a surf edge with cardboard and paper. First we will make the 3D puzzle of its body, then we will make 3D puzzle of its sword and shield. Now we are making the shield of surf edge. In the pieces of 3D puzzle of its shield, we can see that there are some little pieces like this and a hexagon like this. The big hexagon must be covered with newspaper and these two sharp pieces to be attached at the bottom and top of the hexagon. Small pieces of the shield must be half folded and to be stuck at the shield. We must cut a triangle like this in each part of the small part of the shield, which will help in placing the small pieces to the shield. After all the preparations, we must stick the pieces to the shield. Now the shield is ready. We must keep it in the sun for drying. After that we will paint it. As per the 3D puzzle, we must cover a long strip of cardboard with paper. Now as usual we must join all the pieces of the body. These are the legs. Now we have covered the surface half with newspaper. The remaining half will be also covered. Now we have our sword and shield. Parts of the sword and shield are joined. Now we must undry it. Before that, we must rub the sword's top with sandpaper so that there will be a slanting face, which you can see in the photo of sirfetch'd sword. Now after painting, our sword and shield will look like this. I have completed covering the surface body with newspaper. I have sun-dried it and also painted it. After painting, it will look like this. I have separately cut and pasted the surface eyebrow. Now I must detail the surface. After detailing and everything, the surface will look like this. Everything is okay but except the shield. The shield was too hard for making, but the sword was easy for me for making, and also the slanting face. Thank you for watching, friends.